Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to fix if pin comment option is not available on your TikTok. So many people are searching on it, and for many people this feature is not working. So how you can fix it? Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first way is that you can simply click your Play Store, search for the TikTok. Here you will see update option. Simply update your TikTok mobile application and try to find the pin comment option on your TikTok. Moreover, if still it's not working, go back, search for the TikTok app icon, tap a while on it, go to the info button. Here you will see settings. Now click on the storage and the cache. Here you will see two options, clear storage and clear cache. Simply you have to click on the clear cache and try to find out this feature on your TikTok. And if still it's not working, maybe this feature is now not available in your region, or maybe some issues on the TikTok server. So wait for it. Only these ways we should apply to fix it. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.